Okay, dear children, now we are seeing about cuneiform, the Sumerian writing system. Okay, and previous class, and you know that Hammurabi law code. Okay, so the Hammurabi law code is an important legal document that specifies laws related to various and different crimes. Okay, so that it contains 282 provisions specifying cases family rights related to family rights, trade, slavery, taxes and wages. Okay, so it is carved on a stone with a portrays Hammurabi as receiving the code. So Hammurabi must receiving the code, son called Shamash. It was completion of old laws faced, and these laws and also very punishment principles. So this code, so the eye for eye and tooth for tooth form of justice is used in Hammurabi code. Okay, so this is very legal documents. Hammurabi's law code is very important documents. Okay, so this submitted 282 provisions, this law code and also punishment principles, eye for eye and tooth for tooth. Okay, dear students, next one, cuneiform, the Sumerian writing system. Cuneiform is the Sumerian writing system. Already you know that Mesopotamian civilizations, first one Sumerian and Akkadian, Babylonian and Assyrians. Okay, and first one Sumerian writing system enna appadinu cuneiform. So the shape of the letter is in the form of wedge. So the shape, this letter shape is wedge shape. So this is known as cuneiform. Okay, so evolving wedge means opposite shape la irukum. So this writing system is known as cuneiform. Evolving around 3000 BCE, it is one of the earliest script of the world. So cuneiform is one of the earliest script of the world. Okay, the Epic of Gilgamesh was written in this script. The Epic of Gilgamesh and also written this cuneiform script. They used this script, and Gilgamesh used this script for commercial transactions and writing letters. So cuneiform script must use it commercial transactions and writing letters and stories. Okay, next one, the clay tablets contains load on information on the Sumerian civilization. So must clay tablets, and clay tablets contains the loads that wrote it the information on the Sumerian civilizations என்னங்கிறத clay tabletsல wrote பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. Okay, next, development of script. Development of script is an important milestone in human history. So script is an very important. Okay, நம்மளோட writing letters and script is an important milestone in human history. Okay, வரலாற்றிலே script is very important. So writing system began to emerge in Sumeria in the later part of 4th millennium BC. Okay, in the writing system came in Sumeria in the later part of 4th millennium. Next, hieroglyphic, the Egyptian system. Already you know that the Egyptian writing system, hieroglyphics, and Sumerian writing system, cuneiform. Okay, so the Egyptian writing system, hieroglyphics, developed in the early 3rd millennium BC. Okay, so cuneiform writing system came in Sumeria and in the later part of 4th millennium BC. Next one, Egyptian writing system, hieroglyphics. Okay, this one developed in the early 3rd millennium BC. The Harappans also had a system of writing around the same time. But Harappans means Indus Valley civilization. So the writing system around the same time, but it has not yet been deciphered. And this writing and this script is also not understanding. Okay, the Chinese civilization to develop a writing system from a very early period, but Chinese civilization to develop a writing system from a early period. So this civilization is developed a writing system. Okay, this is a early period. Okay, so the development of and cuneiform script. Next one, art. The Mesopotamian art include sculptures and stone and clay. ஸோ மெசபடோமியன் ஆர்ட் அவங்களோட கலை வந்து எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் ஸ்கல்ப்சர்ஸ் இன் ஸ்டோன் அண்ட் clay. ஸோ கல்ச்சர்ஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டோன் அண்ட் clay. A few paintings and sculptures from the Mesopotamian times have survived today. So Mesopotamian paintings and sculptures and also nowadays and also have surviving today. Mesopotamian sculptures and portray means and to make a sculptures, okay, to make a picture. Mesopotamian sculptures animals such as goats, rams, bulls and lions. Mesopotamian cultures made of and animals, so such as goats, rams, bulls and lions. Rams means first one goats and next one rams means அதாவது some kinds of goats and கிடா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதுதான் என்ன rams, okay, rams, bulls and bulls means காளை மாடு. next lions, some and mythological figures like lions and previous times and the important stories figures like and Puranas and legends stories and figures like that lions and bulls with human head have also found in their art. Full like figures like lions and bulls with human head, okay, and bulls with human head have also found in their art. Massive sculptures, massive means very biggest, பிரம்மாண்டமான sculptures were created at the same time of Assyrian and Babylonian empires. So Assyrian civilization and Babylonian empires also that time and created that massive sculptures, okay. So art and architectures and Mesopotamian civilizations, art and architectures is very beautiful. So this Mesopotamian art and also include sculptures and stone and clay, okay. So this one myths and legends figures like a lion, bulls and some of the important animals and bulls with human head have also found in their art and architecture. So this time is very massive sculptures were created at the same time Assyrian and Babylonian empire, okay.